Finally guys, I'll be unlocking another bucket list of my char. Ganito pala yung feeling ko. Char! Guys, I saw a familiar face. I know. Hey besties, guess who's back in the airport? Woo! Finally guys, I'll be unlocking another bucket list of mine, char, which is to travel solo for the first time before turning 30. Wow! Age reveal! Currently, nandito kami ngayon guys sa Coffee Bay. Arrival hall pala sa Terminal 2 dito sa Mactan International Airport. And Jan is with me! Ayan, hi! Order kami ng cafe latte. And of course, para tipid, meron kaming siopaw from Chowking. Mix and match. I still can't imagine myself traveling solo. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I still can't imagine talaga guys. As in, sometimes you have to take risks and just start. It's currently ano pala guys, 4:53. Am I ready ba for solo travel? Yung feeling guys na dati, before, every time mag-book ako ng Klook, 2 person talaga yung ibubook ko. Pero ngayon, nakakapanibago kasi 1 pax lang yung ibubook. Fun fact, if we are in Cebu, ako yung morning person. Pero kapag nag-travel kami, si Jan yung morning person. So, which means siya yung nag-aasikaso for our breakfast most of the time.
All the time.
All the time. So right now, it's a challenge for me. I can handle myself. Whoa! Kaya mo to, Chelsea. Go, go, go. I think yung last time na nag-coffee ako was nung nag-Ho Chi Minh kami. Last April. As in talaga guys, as in seryoso talaga ako na i-let go yung coffee. So, maybe guys, nabasa nyo yung title kung saan ako mag-first solo travel. I know guys. I know, mag-ask kayo bakit dun na naman. Pero parang sa akin kasi parang I want to do it na parang familiar na ako sa lugar bitaw. Kasi sobrang ano talaga to guys, parang sobrang laking jump yung ginawa ko. Kasi guys, dito sa Cebu, although dati naman ano talaga ako, mahilig ako mag-commute, pero after nung nag-pandemic, since naka-work from home ako guys, so I choose not to commute na talaga, like as much as possible. I didn't even try na mag solo travel within Cebu, except kung sa mall guys yan. Pero hindi naman yan travel ano lang, parang I've never been traveling solo talaga within Cebu. And right now, first ever solo travel natin to international agad-agad. Parang ano guys, it's a bit overwhelming, intimidating, but at the same time, exciting. Actually guys, yung place pala namin kung saan kami nagstay ngayon is parang bago siyang store dito sa Mactan Cebu International Airport. As in, sobrang ganda ng vibes niya guys. Para kaming wala sa Cebu. Char! No? As in, sobrang ganda niya. Nice? Saksak. Ay! May charger yun pala dito guys. Ayan, may outlet pala dyan. Ayan. Kaya pala maraming mag-ano dito guys sa Coffee Bay. Parang same dun sa IT Park Cebu. Marami talagang tao yung Coffee Bay. Like, everyone is nag-ano siya. May laptop. Kasi meron palang outlet. O diba? First timer. First timer dito sa Coffee Bay. And guys, nandito kami sa Coffee Bay. Tapos, ayan. Ayan na yung arrival. Ayan. Arrival sa Terminal 2. Tapos, yung sa itaas naman is yan yung departure para sa international travel. Or Terminal 2 pa rin. Finally guys, tapos na kami dun sa Coffee Bay. So right now, on the way na talaga ako sa loob. Although, tapos na rin naman akong nag-pay sa aking travel tax. And largo na ako sa check-in counter where I drop yung bag ko at saka dun sa immigration. Wish me luck, guys! As a solo traveler. First solo traveler. Ganito pala yung feeling pag OFW. Sure! Okay guys, so pupunta na talaga ako sa loob. And I'll see you guys later. Maybe after immigration na. Let's go. Finally, nakalagpas na ako sa immigration, guys. And success! Tutuloy na talaga to. Matutuloy na talaga to, guys. As in, walang bawian na to. So right now, guys, nasa ano lang ako, somewhere in the airport. And I'm so happy, guys, kasi as first solo travel, hindi ako tinanong talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Like, nag-ask lang siya if when ako babalik, tapos hanapan din ako ng COE, yun lang. As in, wala pang 3 minutes talaga ako dun sa immigration officer. Ayun, tinatakan yung passport ko. And finally, guys, nakakapanibago pa rin. Kasi, dati, kami ni Jan yung nag-travel. And right now, solo. Teary-eyed. Sa mukha. Medyo teary-eyed, guys, kasi kanina, na-video call kami ni Jan after nung paglagpas namin sa immigration. And wala, teary-eyed din siya. Siya kasi yung unang umiyak, guys. Tapos ngayon, ayun, nahawa. Pero I'm so happy, guys, kasi finally, ito na talaga yung parang pinaka-biggest siguro na tinake risk ko. Di ba? Solo travel lang naman. Pero anyway, not everyone is privileged to do this, but I'm so happy that I'll be doing it finally before I turn 30. So yun, guys. By the way, guys, sige, tapos na tayo umiyak. By the way, guys, if you are traveling to Vietnam, is visa-free tayong mga Filipino. Yung airline pala na binook ko is Cebu Pacific. Actually, dalawa naman airline if you are going to Ho Chi Minh. It's either PAL or Cebu Pacific. So right now, yung sasakyan ko is Cebu Pacific. And by the way, guys, yung travel tax pa rin is again 1,620. Then ano din, before traveling pala, guys, or you need to fill up e-travel. Yan yung parang departure card natin before. So yan, fill up nyo yan sa eGov na app. Fill up nyo lang yung details and everything. Your name, information nyo, flight number, tapos your destination, tsaka yung address nyo doon mismo sa arrival destination nyo. O yung destination of address, or parang address ng hotel kung saan ka magstay. And then, good to go na. If you are, guys, traveling to Vietnam, siguro prepare na lang kayo ng mga documents, especially if you are working, mga COE, ganyan, tapos mga company ID. Yan, prepare kayo kasi most of the time parang they will ask it talaga. Then, prepare also your return ticket, if ever. And then, by the way, also, if meron kayong mga bookings like sa Klook, or any activities na binook nyo ahead of time, make sure to prepare it as well na lang, in case lang nahahanapin nila. And then, what else pa ba? Yung yung booking reservation nyo sa hotel mismo, maybe they will ask. Sa akin naman is, hindi niya ako inask. I'm so happy talaga, guys, as in, kinakabahan pa naman ako. Kasi first solo travel ko. But anyway, na-conquer natin yan. And I'm so happy. I still can't imagine na finally I will be doing it. By the way, guys, yung departure time pa naman is 8:45 and it's currently 5:41. So I have still an ample time here in the airport. So maybe pupunta muna ako sa CR kasi ihing-ihi na ako, guys. And then bibili siguro ng water. I remember, guys, dati, or most of the time talaga in each of our travel ni Jan, dito talaga kami mag-standby kasi sobrang mingaw. Dito kami laging nagti-TikTok, ganyan. Ayan. And right now, solo. Oh my God, naiiyak na naman ako. Shucks. Tears of joy. Diba? Sobrang mingaw talaga yung part na to, guys. Kaya, dito kami mag-standby talaga. Actually, guys, naghahanap ako ng metal para ilagay ko yung DJI ko. Kasi dun kasi siya pipilit. What I really love here sa airport, guys, tingnan nyo. Sobrang daming outlet. You can charge there, ganyan. Diba? Bongga bells. So, tingnan nyo, sobrang mingaw talaga. Guys, I saw familiar face. Familiar face? Ay, Aiza. Hello! Mini solo travel. Kasi, nandito yung friend ko, guys, Aiza. Pero, ibang, kami, hostel. At saka, ibang, basta, magkaiba kami lahat-lahat.
Hey guys, update. It's currently 8:13 PM and right now nasa plane na ako. Yan. Window seat. And see you later, Ho Chi Minh! Nakakapanibago guys kasi dati kaming dalawa ni John yung nandito sa plane. But right now, mag-isa ako. Pero sige lang. Marami tayong mga bagong places to explore.
Finally made it here, nasa Ho Chi Minh. Currently 1:20 AM here nasa Vietnam and I'm so dead battery guys. So tapos na ako sa immigration, mga 1 hour din. Medyo mabilis naman siya. Pero matagal pa rin. Ito tayo kukuha ng check-in luggage. Sa belt 2. No! Wala naman. Ay! Oh my God! Solo na lang! Oh my gosh! Nag-iisa na lang yung luggage ko, guys. Ayan, guys. All good na. Nakuha ko na yung aking mga luggages. I mean, nakuha ko na yung aking check-in luggage. So, nagpa-airport transfer pala ako, guys. Nag-book ako sa Klook kasi medyo same lang naman siya ng price dun sa Grab na app. Actually, kanina pa yata siya naghihintay. So, bibili muna ako ng SIM card. Although, meron naman akong eSIM right now. Para lang at least I have internet agad-agad once na nakapag-arrive na ako dito sa Ho Chi Minh. Also pala guys, tapos na pala akong mag-withdraw. Doon pala, before sa immigration, meron namang mga ATM. BIDV pala ako nag-withdraw using my GoTime. Pero apparently, medyo mahal siya. I think mga 500 plus yung difference. So, update guys, hindi na lang ako bumili ng physical SIM card kasi meron naman akong eSIM. So, maybe mag-renew na lang ako. Actually, good for 3 days lang kasi yun. Bili na lang ulit ako after 3 days. I think nandito na yung aking airport transfer. Yes.
This is there.
Yes, yes. Meander.
Okay, please check my name.
Okay, thank you.
5 minutes.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Thank you. By the way, nandito na ako sa arrival and hindi na lang ako bumili ng SIM card guys or yung physical SIM kasi before ako pumunta sa Vietnam is nag-avail ako ng eSIM dun sa Klook pero 3 days siya and right now hindi na lang ako bumili ng SIM card kasi plan ko na lang is bibili ulit ako ng eSIM or repurchase. Maybe good for 10 days kasi I'll be staying here for 12 nights. Maybe bibili ulit ako after 3 days para ma-activate ko siya agad-agad. I don't know if it makes sense guys. Medyo lutang na talaga. So right now, nandito lang ako. Nandyan yung pangalan ko kanina and Wait na lang daw ng mga 5 minutes pa yata. So again guys, here in Vietnam is 1 hour behind siya from Philippines. It's currently 1:32 a.m. na guys. So therefore, sa Pinas is 2 a.m. na. And I'm so dead battery na guys kasi lutang na. Hindi ako nakatulog sa plane kanina. But I'm so happy kasi hindi ako nahilo. One thing pala guys na na-observe ko no, based sa aming experience from April, is ano na siya, yung sa arrival hall talaga guys, parang wala ng ATM. Wala na siyang ATM. And good thing naka-video kami before immigration. Meron namang mga ATM machine doon. Sa amin is sa BIDV. So yung video ko na lang is 4 million. I think kasya na yan until 12 nights. Kakayanin natin yun guys. Dinagay yung name ko dyan para makita ni driver once na i-pick up na tayo. Ito na ang ating airport pick up. Thank you!
Ayan guys, nasa loob na ako ng car. On the way na sa Meander, Saigon kasi doon ako magstay for 12 nights. Ayan, let's go. Medyo duka na guys. I am so sleepy and hungry at the same time.
Wow, in fairness, ang ganda. Ay, so... Thank you so much. Ah, it's okay. Thank you. Hi. Chelsea Linya. 12 nights?
12 nights.
Yeah.
Your room is on the second floor. The room is 202. The bed locker is number 2.
Number 2.
Yeah. And may I have your passport to take a picture?
Okay, okay. Sure. Thank you.
Here's some clothes to the doors. Time to check out is 12. Yeah, no smoking, no smelly food, and alcohol in the room. We have a laundry service here and a water refill station at every floor. Yeah, you stay here for a long time, so if you want to change your bedsheet, just not with us.
Is it for free?
Yeah, it's free, but change the bedsheet after 3 nights. So after 3 nights, you can come here and tell us that you want to change the bedsheet.
Okay.
And you can train the towel every day.
Okay,
So
okay.
just come here and request a new towel.
Okay.
Okay, I will show you the room.
Okay, thank you.
Martin Mason. Okay. The bed is next to the circle.
Ah, nice. Oh, this one. Okay, thank you.
If you need anything, just come to the reception.